How to change email on Shopify. That's what I will show you in this video. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin panel, and once you do that, click on the profile icon at the top right of the screen. Then click on manage account. And once you're here, from the general section, scroll down to details, and under email, click on change email. A pop-up window will appear from which you will be able to enter a new email address right here. They will use it to send you an email to this address to confirm that you are the owner of it, and after that you need to enter your password as a confirmation. And once you do that, click on change email at the bottom right, and the email address will be changed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your email address on your Shopify account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.